Hey guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. This haul is from Target. Yeah, I went into Target. I went in so I could get some other things, but I bought this. I don't have my coupons yet, so what coupons I had, I was able to use. I had a $3 off the Tide Pods, $2 off the Downies. So anyway, let me just tell you the price of everything. Okay, the Downy was nine $9.99. Both of them $9.99. Oh, $9.99 and $9.99. And then the Tide Pods were $11.99. You buy three, and you get back $10 in a gift card. So, oh, they charged me. Oh no, they didn't charge me for a bag. Okay, so I bought these. I paid $24.87. I got back $10, so it's like the three of these were $14. Okay, so that was my first deal that I did at Target. I did another deal, which I'm gonna come back and show you. Okay, guys, this was my second transaction at Target. All right, let me see if I can find my receipt. Okay. I got stuff up on my table. My husband is doing work in the in that room over there. So don't mind all the stuff I got up here. All right, guys. All right. So this was at Target. I bought these ball lids. You know, I'm going to be canning. So I just trying to find out how to can. I've been looking online, and I found a lot of information out. I'm trying to can some peaches. I bought the pint-sized jars because they were on sale for $7.99. Then there was a $2 off of a $2 off that was on the Target app, and I had a $2 coupon. So they were trying not to take my $2 coupon, telling me that if you use it the cartwheel, you can't use the your manufacturer's coupon. I told them not so. Yes, you can. Why do you think that you are having those coupons listed on the Target app? Anyway, one of the managers came over and he rang it up for me. Excuse me. And then okay, so they were not seven. They were supposed to be $7.99, but you take the $4 off the $8.69 price. Take $4 off that. I got them for $4.69, which I didn't mind. Then I bought this utensil set here for preserving. So I'm gonna show you everything that's in here. Look, what? The funnel is already in there, and I bought one. The funnel's in here. The jar lifter's in there. The bubble remover is in there. And the magnetic lid lifter is in here. So all of this stuff is inside this box. But I bought this one. This was only, how much was this? $2.49. I bought it. Then I got these. No, I'm sorry. This was $1.99. I'm sorry, guys. This was $1.99. Then these command strips were $2.49. That's what was $2.49. I used the $10 that I got off of my first transaction where I bought the laundry detergent. And this is my receipt. Let's see if I can make it clearer for you. Yeah, there it is. You see the $2.49 up there? That's for the command strips. The $7.99 is for this whole little kit right there. Then the $1.99 is for this thing, the funnel. And then the $8.69 was for the jars. I bought the pint-sized jars. And like I said, I got $4 off. And that's shown right here. It came to $17.16. I used the $10 off. And this is what I ended up paying. Oh, no, that's what I got back. So I paid $8.81. I paid $8.81 for all of this. All right. So that's all I bought from Target, right, guys. I just went in really to get these. I didn't even go in for anything else. I just wanted to get this. And I was looking for a sterilizer, but I couldn't find one of those. So I guess I'm going to have to use one of my pots. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Press that notification button so you'll be notified whenever I put up a video. Okay, guys. I love you much. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.